Hi everyone, welcome back. In our last video, we saw about how to implement data annotation validations in .NET 6 Mvc. So in this video, we are continuing with that. In last video, we used data annotation and record validators and regular validators. Also ASP validation for tag helper and model shape. But we faced some issue. So in this video, we are going to fix that. Let's open the same Visual Studio project which we used in our last. Last session, we provided record field validator like this and range validator like this and also error expression like this. Let's run the application. Let's click on employee management. Let's click on create new employee. Continue. Here I am not entering values. Now I am entering some value. Just age. Click get employee. Here model state is valid is false. What happens? Expand this. Here error count is 2. This is invalid. ID is invalid as well as this is valid. This one is invalid. Salary also invalid. ID and salary are invalid. So this is not a valid salary, right? So we can put it as 10,000. I'm creating an employee. Now see what happens. Now also model state dot is value equal to false, right? Let's expand this result here. Here everything is valid, but this ID is invalid. We are not implemented any validations for ID, right? Simply leave this ID as it is, no validation, but still it shows some validation error message. Why? Because ID is primary key and we use that ID inside a hidden field. If we not use this one, then no issues, but we use purposely because in edit mode we need this ID, so we use this. But while performing model state validation, we need to remove this validation alone. How to do that? Go to employee controller and create employee and remove validation for ID alone. How to do that? Model state dot remove ID. That's it. Let's run the application. Run employee management. Run create new employee. Yeah, providing some value. And create employee. Now model state. Still we have one error count. So model state is invalid. But here we are removing that ID from the model state. Let's see what happens after removal. After removal, model state becomes true. Error count is 0, so it will work. Yes, employee added. This employee get employee. Success. Let's try the same in update mode also. Click on update. Let's remove this salary and click on update employee. Now model state is value equal to false. Here salary is invalid. So if I provide some valid salary, definitely it will work. Yes. Okay. Now we implemented the CRUD operation as well as a validation using data annotation. Let's complete this session. In our next session, we can see how to format and how to improve the look and feel of this site using CSS. That means cascaded style sheet. Thanks for watching.